Guys, mag-fold kami ni Katkat Kumot. Again. Toing. Hold it tight, please. 1, 2, 3. Toing! Kailangan siya, guys. Again. 1, 2, 3. Toing. Good morning, guys. I scared you again.
Why did you wake me? Again?
Mahulog ka, anak. Enough na po. Cook this one for breakfast. Yeah, enough na. You get the bread and eat.
I'm waiting, Mom.
Eat, bite.
Mom, go.
More pa. You wait for your McDo, ha? Ato si Tita. Tita will give you McDo. Fall in line. Stand there. Dali. Stand there, you will get your McDo. Dali. Ato na kay Tita. Thank you. Ato na. Stand.
Sige na.
Ato na, you get your... Ato na, dali, come here. Come here. Stand there. Tama, ma, cute to. Come here. You stand there, get your McDo there, oh. Yan. Ato, knock here. Ato na. Here, dali. Di pa, kadali, be. Di, ako na mag-hold, Tita. Thank you po. Thank you. Dali, come here. You're here. You stay here. Come here na. Yeah.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, Noah!
Hello.
Nyo, kumain siya sa utosan nyo. Ang Tagalog? Noah, ang Tagalog nga.
Gusto na mag-GNF pa. Again. Make it strong. Toing. Come so near. Good morning, guys. We're going to make our prosperity bowl for 2025. Happy New Year! Let's start with cotton balls. Kaya ang bowl, guys. Kaya wala naman kami bowl today. And hopefully, magkasya ang 12 pieces eggs. First, cotton balls. Wait, hanap na chat. Cotton balls. Then rice. Rice. Yan. Dagdagan pa natin yung rice kasi hindi siya ganun kapuno. No? Okay. Let's try.
Let's do this.
Wait lang.
Let me.
Wait lang. Where pa? And then, rice. Here pa ang rice, guys. Wait lang. And walang pa. Wait. Okay. More pa. Ayan. Ayan. Pwede na to. Okay. Okay, for me, enough na nga rice, guys. And then next, we put 12 pieces of eggs. 1. Basa. Basa siya. Nasaan pa lang? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Oh, this one fits really well. 12 months of the year. Okay, Lord. Magdamang blessings, more blessings, more money. Next. Okay. Sadap. Let's put the coins na din. Come on. Si Kat mag-put sa among nga coins. Here. Ayun. I'll teach you how to put it. Hold. Insert. Oh, not. Insert like this. 1, 2. Here, look here. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'll help you. 6, 7, 8. Here. 9. Okay. 10, 11. 11. Here and 12. Yan. Perfect. Next. We're not going to eat this. This is coin, chocolate coin. Here. After New Year, you can eat this. Okay? Yeah, after New Year. Let's get 12 pieces only. Okay, 1. Oh, nami. Oh! Ang dami naman chocolate. Try it. Let's put it here. Kain ba ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Right? Here na po. Then, after is laurel. It says there 12 pieces na laurel. 1, 2,
Are you going Bob?
3, huh? 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next is our paper bill. Ito guys, yung paper bill namin, ang gumawa nito is yung mga bata-bata ko si Jillian and si Jessa. Here, we have 12 pieces na tig 50 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait lang, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Tadan! And then, sa pinakagitna guys, wait lang, walang fruit. And then, for our centerpiece, orange. And then, okay na. And then, kuha ko ang this is our, ano ba tawag dito guys? Paper, red paper. Oh, later. We will put this one here. You put it, let's go, let's put it. Here. Yeah. Sana magpagkamot siya. Picture kita. Okay, our prosperity bowl for this 2025. What's that? Oh! Kagabi pa niya gibiling Lin. Di ba morning nagsing kasi ako sa kanya napupunta kami Gen F. Kaya may da ikaw ihatag. Wow. Oo, kaganina kay dito may sa San Roque kanina. Ha? What? Nag-open ulit. Okay, open it na. What is it? Wow, idagyo kay Ninong Talen. What you gonna say to Ninong Talen? What's in your nose? Sige. Make it ruin it. Dali, go, open it. Make it strong. What's that? Hello, what's that? What's that? Unsa kaya ito regalo ni Ninong Talen? What's this kaya? What's this? You open it here. Here, nako. Here. What's inside? Ah! Damit! Wow! Open it! Wow! It's a t-shirt na! You're gonna wear this in New Year! Who's this? Korome! Who's that? That's Korome! Huh? Are you excited to wear it? Oh, naghubad naman tayo! Later na unta. Now na? Wow, Korome! What you gonna say to Ninong Talen mo na first?
Thank you.
Okay. Can you see at the back? Can I see the back? Wow, Korome! And then the front? Look here, Korome! Wow! Wow! Are you happy?
Let me buy it.
Oh, sige, wait lang. Naghimo ako macaroni spaghetti kasi parang ayoko ng spaghetti na pahaba. Ano ba yun? I made macaroni spaghetti and we're going to put cheese with Rina! Let's do this, guys. We're going to grate some cheese, guys, for our macaroni spaghetti.
Let me help you.
Okay, hold this one, please. Yan. There you go. Wait lang, babe, anak, babe.
Here.
Yan.
Let me.
Wait lang, anak. Then, yan. Damihan natin. Mas masarap siya, maraming cheese. Yan.
We're not do it na.
Wait lang. Wait lang, anak. Oh. Here, it's your turn. Be careful. Diin. Press mo first. Wait lang. I'll help you. Yan. Macaroni ginamit ko, guys. Elbow macaroni. Pang spaghetti. Kasi parang ayoko ng pasta.
Mommy, tiny.
Huh?
Tiny.
We're not going to mix it. It's just a topping for our macaroni spaghetti. There you go.
And Rina.
And Rina. Rina, help mom.
Let me rinse it now.
Wait lang. Oh, bless you.
That won't think it.
Okay, wait lang.
Let me
Let's
see.
try. No, we're not going to mix it, anak. Listen. We're not going to mix it, okay?
Why we're doing it again?
Later, at 12 midnight, you're gonna wake up and eat with mom, okay?
Daddy?
Because it's New Year. Happy New Year, guys. You see it?
This robot na.
Oh, hawa na nga da. Okay. Guys, hello. Let's eat muna. Eat muna kami ni Kat for our food. Kat don't like to eat other food. Only manju and rice. No na? Did you? Why? Because you don't drink many water. Rina. Naka. Thank you, Lord. You want more water? Again? New Year. Uy, 4 years na ni nga turutot, guys. Tagal na.
Mommy, Rina.
Happy New Year! Point. New Year, guys! From Rina and Mommy and Daddy. Insert na lang si Daddy. Why are you crying? You wanna go down now? Smile mo na, smile mo na, smile. Happy New Year, guys! Sa among ni Coke Super Frozen. Then our fruits.
What is my candy?
Candy. And this is my very, very beautiful Rina. Look, Mommy.
Not Rina, this is candy.
And then, thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Okay, look here, Nak. Happy New Year! First, I do not tell you that makes sense. Jump! 1, 2, 3. Oh, magnamnam na ko na siya. Bye, guys! Unang didi ng taon. What you gonna say?
Sure.